What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because NIO is very well documented on my channel, and also hit the like button because that does go a long way in helping the channel out. So today we're going to be talking about NIO stock. I do have a position in NIO. None of this is financial advice. It's super important to make sure that you do your own research and come to your own conclusions. This is just me sharing my ideas and my research with you guys. So yesterday, a lot of you guys asked me to put out a video on the filing that NIO put out yesterday, saying that they were going to be offering more American shares. NIO Incorporated announces proposed offering of 60 million American depository shares. So for me, this is going to be a really quick video. I know how important time is to you guys, and this isn't really too much to think about, right? With the funding deal from the Hefe government, we already knew that some dilution was coming to the stock. None of this should serve to a surprise to any investor who's been doing their research. I did go ahead and read the entire filing. The company plans to use the capital to invest back into their business on things like R&D. With a stock like NIO that is a very capital intensive business, there will be some dilution in its early days. For me, I just like to think about the dilution as a bad red day or an opportunity to buy more. Once again, keeping in mind how many shares William Lee has in his possession, he's going to do as much as he can to push the share value up so that he remains a billionaire as long as possible. And once again, think of all the financial institutions involved with NIO. One of the buyers of these shares will be Tencent. Tencent already has a vested interest in NIO, and Tencent is not a charity case. They're one of the biggest names in business globally and definitely in the C country. So they're going to do everything that they can as well to push the share value to the max over time. Think about Tesla. How many times in their early days have they had to deal with dilution? But in hindsight, that wouldn't have stopped you from buying Tesla way back then. I feel like NIO will handle the dilution in a way that's manageable for shareholders over the long run. Now, if you're someone who's not long on NIO and you're just trading the stock, something like this might scare you. And that's why I typically don't make short-term decisions on stocks, because we never know what's going to happen in the short term, but over the long run, you can make a better prediction of the outcome. I feel like NIO will handle the dilution well, just like Tesla. And in my opinion, this makes the stock a much safer stock. The company needed the capital. It was facing bankrupt fears. Now the chances of NIO going bankrupt in the near term are so much less. So needing to raise capital was expected. You don't just buy a stock because it's been on a bullish run and it's flying. And the bullish run actually saved investors, because without that, the stock price could have dropped a lot more. Now we're falling from highs. So I'm still up on my position by a ton, and I will continue to add more. So that's what I think about NIO offering 60 million American depository shares. I want to know what you guys think about this situation and how are you navigating it. Please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.